Shortly after the successful declaration of United States of Biafra in Finland, news broke out on the internet that Simon Ekpa will be tried in May 2025. Like the mainstream media carried this news, all the news channels, all the media homes actually it had broadcasted this news, okay? And let me just read it the way it said: terrorism. Finnish court sets May 2025 date for Ekpa's trial. I'm here to tell you today that this is an unfounded news. It is a lie from the pit of hell, and I'm going to prove it to you. You don't go nowhere. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Hello everybody, welcome to Expose with Ivy, your show explore for all hot, spicy and authentic information. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel. And of course, if you're a returning subscriber, you are the best. Thank you so much for your support. I will never take it lightly. Please do well to smash the like button, register your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to share this video with all your acquaintances. Now, without further ado, let's dive into today's topic. All right. Okay, so I've seen this news on the internet. In fact, the one that I'm putting here, I think is from Punch or so. I've seen it on the internet. I've watched the videos and all that, saying that, of course, Finnish court sets May 2025 to try Mazi Simon Ekpa. I've seen it all over the place. I wanted to blog it. I was like, are you sure? I don't know. Like, I was kind of indecisive, you know, so I decided to let it go. I decided I was not going to say anything about it. I just had to let it be. I now came to find out. See, let me ask you something. Do you think that the Finnish authority, they don't know what they are doing? You think they don't support Biafra? Is that what you think? If you are thinking that way, then you are sincerely, you are sitting on a long thing. You know why? Because if they don't support Biafra, they will not allow Biafra declaration on their land. The hotel, whatever they use, whatever they were lodging is in Finland, right? The venue of the event in Lahti was in Finland, and they allowed all this. You think they don't support what we are doing? Let me tell you, Finland as a country, they love Simon Ekpa. So if you are thinking that they are going to become a source of harm to Simon Ekpa, so sorry, you are wrong. You are wrong. So if they don't support Biafra, what made you feel they will allow such a historic event to take place in their country? Just think about it. So when people make videos just to get views, you know that this video is just to get views, not that this person is trying to pass an information. All right? So you don't understand what I'm insinuating, all right? I want you to watch this video. This was a speech by a high-profile Finnish official. I want you to listen to him. Do you know that that very news of trying Mazi Simon Ekpa in 2025, the news was not even published in Finland? Finland media did not carry such news. I don't know where they baked that out from and started spreading it like a virus. I'd like for you to watch this video. The video you're about to watch is a speech delivered by a high-profile Finnish official. I want you to listen to him so that you understand what I'm trying to talk about. So you're not going to wait. Watch this video. I'll be right back.
Outside. Then my understanding, this is my interpretation, you know, that Finnish government, they allow this investigation to happen, you know, and looks like they make it so that your leader here is not coming here, looks like that. And this is my interpretation. But after this meeting, I believe he's going to be released. This is my understanding. Anyway, in the Finnish news, this was reported very neutrally somehow, but and also the Yle news, they reported. It was one like a main news, Yle news, they reported, you know. But actually, we have two main news, you know. And the second news, which was 10 o'clock in the evening, this news did not even report that one. Why is that? You can question. I know that in Nigerian media, they have said that Simon Ekpa will be captured until May of next year. I have read. but in the Finnish, this how to say even Yle information, there is no mention about that at all. So there is some contradictions going on. Yeah. Therefore, and also one more thing I would like to say, because I'm sure your schedule is very tight. How much do I have time? Can you tell? 5 minutes more? Okay. All right. 5 minutes? 5 minutes, okay. All right. No, not 1 month. I don't want to mix your meeting. Okay. I respect your meeting. All right. Okay. What I was going to say, what was it? Anyway, I wanted to say that actually now, I came here 29th, first day of your meeting. I sensed, and I told to your leader of this, who was speaking just before, this lady, I was speaking to her, I told, with holding with her hands, with my hands, I said, looks like when Simon is not here, but you are more united.
You see what I'm saying? Can you see what I'm saying? My Simon Ekpa most probably will be released this week or max next week, and somebody is talking about May 2025. Rubbish. Nonsense. Okay, so this is actually the information that I got, and I was really excited. I thought I should, bring it across to my co-lovers of Biafra. All right, so that is the news. Please do well to share this video. Share this video. Don't forget to like, repost, favorite it, and share your thoughts in the comments. Share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about this topic today? Please share your thoughts in the comments. And of course, until I come your way some other time, see you at the top, because the ground is way too crowded. Bye.